Dumpster rental service in Waterloo, Nebraska. When you need a reliable dumpster rental service in Waterloo, Nebraska, 402 Container is here to help. We specialize in providing efficient waste disposal solutions for projects of all sizes. Whether you're renovating a home, cleaning out a garage, or working on a construction project, we have the right dumpster for you. Our team ensures timely delivery and pickup, helping you maintain a smooth and organized workflow. With various dumpster sizes available, we make handling any amount of waste easy. Our knowledgeable team is always ready to assist you in selecting the perfect dumpster for your needs. We prioritize customer satisfaction and maintain transparent pricing without hidden fees. Safety and environmental care are central to our operations. Call us at 402-979-5900 to book your dumpster rental. At 402 Container, we're dedicated to making waste disposal stress-free. Your trusted cleanup partner.